Hi, I'm Nick Hawkins. I teach pathology to undergraduates in medicine and science using Slice. I use Slice to create group activities for my students to identify features on an image. For the first time, I'm able to get students to identify and share regions of an image with me and their classmates in real time, both on images of macroscopic disease and whole slide microscopy images. Here's one way that I've been doing this. To start your Slice group activity, you need to set up group emails to send to your students. You can do this by creating group accounts on BEST using your email, then adding the plus sign and any ID you'd like to give to your group. In this example, I'm creating a group email containing the course code and student group number. This email is not functional, but the BEST network recognizes that it is associated with my email address and will register the account, forwarding me the logon details. Using this account, I can log on and create a learning activity based on an image that I've chosen. I can use the description field of my layer to set out what I want my students to do. Here, I've asked them to mark out the area of old myocardial infarction. As they will be working with group accounts, I'm going to remind them to include their name in the annotation. Once I've added my activity, I then send this to my students with the logon credentials via my learning management system, or if I wanted to, via email. Each student group will get access to the image for annotation, for discussion, or to answer specific questions. In this activity, I've given my first group access to the image with the logon details and instructions. Once my students complete this activity in class, I just refresh my layer, which is the same layer that they're writing on, and now I can see Group 1's annotations. Of course, students don't necessarily need to complete this activity in class. They could work together asynchronously to complete this task as homework. By creating more layers, multiple groups can interact with an image or work on multiple activities. All annotations can be compared between groups, so you can quickly work out where the misconceptions are and effectively use your time in lectures, practical classes and tutorials. Once the class is over, students can duplicate the layer into their own private layer to use for future study or reference. You can get started on your next class activity by logging into your BEST account and creating new group accounts. If you'd like access to Slice, click Join Now for free on the front page.